Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Shashank and I'm thrilled to announce the start of an exciting new series dedicated to Microsoft Fabric. Whether you are a seasoned data professional or someone who's just starting out, this series is designed to take you on a comprehensive journey through everything Microsoft Fabric has to offer. In this series, we'll dive deep into each aspect of Microsoft Fabric, exploring its key features, benefits, and practical applications. We'll cover topics such as data integration, Power BI, OneLake, and so much more. And don't worry if you are new to some of these concepts, we'll start from the basic and work our way up. So, what is Microsoft Fabric? So, guys, in the past, managing data in a company meant using lots of different tools coming from different vendors. So, there was not only one tool to make our data related tasks, there were a lot of bunch of tools. There were tools for data integration, data science, real-time analytics, data engineering, and much more. Each tool came from different vendors, making everything complicated and hard to integrate. Imagine trying to juggle multiple tools, each with its own interface. Every tool was having its own interface and functionalities. It was a nightmare for data professionals, making it tough to create a smooth end-to-end solution. And guys, this is where Microsoft Fabric comes in. It is an unified data platform that brings various data tools and experiences together into a single unified solution. With Microsoft Fabric, you get a highly integrated, easy to use platform that simplifies data management. Whether you are working on a data engineering, real-time analytics, or creating reports in Power BI, everything is seamlessly connected. Switching between different tasks is incredibly smooth. For example, you can move from creating a data pipeline to building a Power BI reports without leaving the platform. This unified approach means you no longer have to deal with the hassle of integrating different tool. It means using a different tool for integration and then leaving that particular interface and going to another interface for reporting in Power BI. But that's not all. Microsoft Fabric centralizes all your data storage in one place called OneLake. This means all your data is easily accessible and securely stored, enhancing both efficiency and security. So with OneLake, you don't have to worry about managing multiple storage solutions. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. So guys, ready to get started? So in the next video, let's see how you can sign up for free Microsoft Fabric account and start using its powerful features for your all data needs. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more insights into the latest tech related to data. See you in the next video.